Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how I built this planter out of a PVC pipe. I'm growing strawberries in it, but you can grow whatever you want. What's up, Tube U? I have this piece of pipe here that I am going to turn into a strawberry planter. I've debated and debated, and I've had this 6-inch pipe for I don't know how long, years, and I've been just waiting for the right opportunity to use it again. And I was like, well, do I really want to use it for this? Or what if I need it for something else? Like, this is the opportunity to get this out of the way. It's just been in storage, waiting to be used again for some type of a project, and it's finally here. So I saw some videos about how to turn these into a strawberry planter. I'm gonna have it where it hangs on the fence. Some of them where they poke, just like drill holes along the top. I'm gonna actually cut like a trough style all the way down this pipe. And one thing special about this that I'm gonna do is make my own end caps, because the end caps for this size pipe are $9. It'll be over $9 with tax, so that's $18. And I'm all about, thinking about the cost of production. I mean, if this is just your hobby, I get it. Go spend the money, enjoy the process of gardening. But I'm actually I try to do this as a way to feed my family, save money, and be sustainable and cost effective. So I'm going to try to make the end caps. Saw some additional videos about how to do that. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm sure it'll be fine, but I'm just going to kind of document the process. So here we go. I'm going to put it on the ground and see if I can bend it at all. That's a little better. Crazy, huh?
It was crazy.
This actually worked pretty fair, better than I thought it would. Flattening out these pieces of PVC. It's not perfect. Like, this wouldn't hold water if I am, making these to make an actual pipe cap in to hold pressure. But for what I'm doing, just to hold the ends of this planter box in. So what I'm going to do is cut it out and put it on the end of this and then stick it on the end of the pipe. Just figure out how to get it on there. Should work. Pretty cool. We'll see how viable these are. I'm not sure.